Welcome to 175 Adams Street, apartment 14A. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, fully renovated co-op at Concord Village. As you can see, brand new bamboo hardwood flooring throughout. Open concept living room and dining. And kitchen with pass-through, large island, and there's actually storage in there on the other side. The best part about this unit, you are on the 14th floor, and you are going to have panoramic views of downtown Manhattan, the Brooklyn Bridge, unobstructed sky and river views from every single window in the apartment. Coming back around, you have your renovated kitchen with dishwasher, refrigerator, fridge with water dispenser, microwave, and Bosch gas stovetop with also a hood. I'm giving you another view from over here. I'll take you into the kitchen right now. As you can see, you have your 4-burner gas stove oven with hood, tons of cabinetry. Built-in microwave cubby on the other side, and all the storage on the other side of the island. Oh, sorry, not island, breakfast bar. And storage cabinets up top. Great feature about this kitchen also is that you have a nice big window right next to the stove. Now moving down the hallway. Second hallway closet actually, with the first one being on this side. And bathroom completely renovated. Ceramic tile flooring with medicine cabinet. Jacuzzi tub, jacuzzi deep soaking tub, and yes, those actually do work. And large rainfall shower head with separate handle. And this I think is a great feature. There's a built-in makeup vanity desk behind the door with extra shelving on top and below. Glass shelving also built into the shower, and double shower glass doors. I can take a look again. Okay, now moving down the hallway, you have another hall closet right outside the second bedroom. And then you come into the children's bedroom, or what's being used as the children's bedroom. Good space. Those are bunk beds, and plus 2 extra cabinets, desk, and a full closet in. And let me just show you this view again out the window because it's so great. Now this is all western and southern views. And coming back around again, you can see there's the doorway. Now we go into the master. So you have a built-in closet on this side, as well as a full wall closet on this side. And even corner home office. And this is a queen size bed, but this room can easily fit a king. And then even more dressers and nightstands. And again, that amazing view of downtown Manhattan. So you can come back around this way and you can see there's another full wall of closets that were built in. Definitely not lacking in closet space in this apartment. And then we'll come right back out again into the living room space. Again, coming out the master, second bedroom off of the master to the left. Another kind of utility closet, actually 2 utility closets, 1 utility and 1 coat. Bathroom. And kitchen. Opening up into the living and dining space. Thanks for viewing. Again, this is 175 Adams Street, apartment 14A in Brooklyn Heights, Dumbo, downtown Brooklyn border. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, Lee-Tessitore team@compass.com. Thanks.